The 510(k) process is one of the processes that the FDA uses for medical device approval. You have to get 510(k) clearance before you can sell your medical device in the United States market. Now, there has been a lot of criticism that because that process takes so long, that good technology is not being allowed to be used in the United States that might be allowed to be used in Europe or in other countries because that process is slower here. I don't necessarily see that as a huge factor. Again, medical markets have to do things safely. And if it's a little bit slower, it's a little bit slower because that safety is so much more important, especially with regards, it's not like a credit card or, where, well, I lost $50, I can replace that. We can't replace our kids, our grandparents, our friends, and our family. So we have to get that part right. As somebody that uses medical devices, this can be a little frustrating because we don't get the technology as fast as we can. But my experience from a technological perspective is it is far better to have devices that are safer and more thought out than to just quickly adapt technology into our marketplace. Every time we jump too quick and put technology into the marketplace, it has some clunky periods. The first iPhone, the first iPod, the first computer, all of these things didn't quite work right. They were great, and we look back at them fondly, but I don't think that we would do that the same way if the medical device was like, it didn't quite work right, so I lost a friend or a family member because of the failure of that technology. This has to be really well thought out, and it has to be done right the first time. And I think it's important to make sure that process goes well.